Roger got pulled over. We got a ticket. We got a ticket. Let's see the ticket.
But he flirted his way into getting the ticket down.
He flirted his way. Ah, shit. Ooh, oh.
She's cute.
We're an hour out from Palm Springs. We're road tripping, guys. This is a road trip. It's been a road trip. It's been a road trip.
We've got snacks.
Oh, snacks. What do we have? What do we have?
Inventory.
My kibble. We have kibble for the kids. They're there, guys. Oh, go back.
Wow.
They got there and we're not there. We're gonna be there soon.
We're gonna get there.
How sad. I bet they're not having that much fun yet.
Yeah, because we're not there.
I'm gonna update you
I
guys.
feel bad that they can't laugh until we get there.
I know, they literally cannot laugh until we get there. That's
Like,
sucks.
terrible.
All the laughing.
Terrible time.
They're probably having the worst time ever.
I know they're
I'm gonna update you guys when I go feed my dogs. Whee! And we're here with the gang! Okay, that was the weakest. It's not a photo, it's a video. Jesus Christ! Let me try that again. And we're here with the gang! Yeah, much better, guys. Thanks so much. Wait, you guys. You guys look what they got. They got me adult kibble. Let's go.
What's your bar? Bar?
Wait, it's blurry.
What? Bark.
Tell them to roll over. Sit. Lay down. Roll over. Good boy. On your knees. On your knees. Okay, wait. You need to do.
On a cash,
Okay,
yeah.
bark for me.
Bark.
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 Well, bark. Good boy. One more bark. Good boy.
Oh, mess in the house.
Okay, my last dog. My last motherfucking dog. All right, buddy. Sit. Paw. Paw. He can smell it. That's right there. Tell him to sit. Oh. One more. Sit. Good. We actually got one more dog, guys. I completely forgot. This is my last motherfucking dog. Let me see a paw.
That was bad.
And we got a party bus and we're going to We're seeing Don Summit tonight. Wow.
I bought this for you.
Oh, we're going up. Good morning! Good morning!
Okay, girl.
Hey, girl!
Cheers to us.
Oh, yeah, it's... What time is it? It's...
12.
About to be noon. Cheers.
High noon.
High noon. High noon.
High noon.
Nothing like a good seltzer for breakfast.
For breakfast.
This is what we ate. We had a bagel. I ate half a bagel. Boom. And then breakfast. Girl breakfast. Girl breakfast. We're just kicking it, relaxing right now in the morning. We gotta go run some errands and then we're gonna have to get ready and then head to go
I'm not getting
splish
sunburned again, bro.
splash. So
Splash around.
we're gonna go splish splash around. We're gonna splish splash around.
Splish splash.
Splish splash.
Water aerobics.
Water aerobics. Shot. Ooh.
Pinkies up.
Shot o'clock. Paintings up.
Tom explained that to
Very precise. Very demure.
We got Pyro Pilates going on over here, guys. Yes. We're doing a quick touch-up before we go back out and rage balls. Where are you? And I'm so sorry. I cannot breathe.
Oh my god. Are we inside of Spencer's?
No. Hey, welcome to Spencer's.
Welcome to Spencer's.
Hey, welcome to Chili.
Welcome to Hot Topic.
You guys, what a day. We're back at the Airbnb.
Mansion. We're back at our resort.
We're back at our resort. We just showered, we got ready.
We're getting ready.
I don't even drink vodka, but
Here we are.
here we are. So,
I actually love vodka.
cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Uh-huh.
I just filled up. God, I hate vodka. Here you go.
My turn.
Your turn.
Okay.
Oh, I just put that all over me. That was not well.
Is this so cringe? Like literally from the handle?
Yeah.
Like, wow. Who do we think we are? Are we ghetto or are we ghetto?
I'm a frat brother. I'm
We're a
straight up-
frat family.
You guys, everybody calls me a frat brother. I'm a frat brother. I'm straight up a frat brotherin.
That's not normal.
Cheers. And we're leaving in an hour, so we're gonna, I should probably take a mini nap.
And then we're gonna get freaky.
And then we're
Then we're gonna get really, really freaky.
And then we're gonna go party.
Party and shake our little tushes off.
We got ready, we fully glammed up, and she said, good night, fucking good night, tuck her in. Good night. We got fully glammed and said good night. A nice morning dive. Whee! So let's tell them about our night. I just made us some Aperol Spritz. Cheers. It's Sunday. It's a beautiful day outside by the pool. Cheers. We went to go to the hangar again. And we lasted about 40 minutes and then we left.
Maybe less.
Maybe less.
Maybe less.
I couldn't even keep my eyes open. I was falling asleep in the crowd.
It was dusty.
It was dusty. It was windy.
It was windy. I felt like I was fighting the elements.
I was fighting for my life at that point.
You normally can't see your eyes anyways, so.
Wow, good joke, Dom. Nice joke. You want to say that louder?
China.
It's our last day. Tommy's DJing today. Woo! So we're gonna go see him play at Splash House. Gonna get ready in like 30 minutes. Head out, watch him play. Do a little disco dance good, and then we are probably gonna come back here and just chill because we've had a very long 2 days. So
Relaxing Sunday.
we're gonna have a very chill, relaxing Sunday after we watch our good friend Tommy DJ. T-minus 10 minutes until Tommy plays, and we got the bubble. We brought the bubble gun out. I'm crying because
Lara's crying because we're moving.
we're moving. I'm leaving.
She's going to Bali, and all my friends have left me, and Lara's my sister. Well, she is my sister.
I'm
but
so sad.
now she's leaving me, and now I'm by myself.
And, yeah, I'm crying because I love them so much.
But at least I get to. I have the cats.
And she's taking my cat.
I have the
She's taking my
cats.
cats.
At least I
Oh
have
my
the-
god, she's taking my cats, guys.
At
Holy
least I have the
cow. Tears of joy, you guys.
Tears of growth.
I'm so sad to be leaving everybody. Can't stop crying.
I was taking a bath.
What a weekend with the best people. You guys, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm so proud of Tommy. We crushed it. Splash House was amazing. So fun. We had a blast. I'm headed back to LA for a couple days. And then I'll be going home after that. But the vlog's ending here. So
We love you.
hope you guys enjoyed. We love you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next vlog.